Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
The project is scrapped.
Semput Menteri Rang Bak Kajela buat Prestone Tensong Loong ba ya ka Umngot project ladap ban Pynsangeh bat ki kenhun ki persyaru ki ladap ban ya kenduk ya ke sorkar la ar laisin bat la batai syaki hendrai wat la kataru ulaong ba sorkar kambu jingtho bala penduk nok syirta namar ba om la bentip hadin san post nami yo ba ki brio ki persya ki kwa ban pentrikam lada poi kapur ba ki .com.
The project is scrapped. That's what, see, I think, I don't know who asked us question. They met me 2-3 times. I've explained to them. When was that? I've already told them already. I already explained to them. We scrap it. Okay? And then you cannot say that this project will be just closed forever. Because you don't know. That time will come. Maybe those people themselves, after 50 years from now, they may say we need it. So you can't just say like that, man. We scrap it, we stop it, but you don't know, as I said to you, maybe in the next generation, those people who are against it, maybe they say their next generation, their children or their grandchildren, they may say, hey, let us go to the government, let us demand, let us revive that the Umngot project should be again revived. You don't know that. Again, that arise, but right now we already scrap. When we scrap means there is no more EOI on this particular project. So when there is no more EOI means we stop. I don't know, maybe not from myself. Because the moment we scrap means scrap. Okay, that is number one. That's what I'm telling you. Let me make it very, very clearly. They came and met me. They said, why not you use the word scrap and close it? I said scrap, we close it. If you see that yes, government again fresh EOI is issued, then the intention of the government means to again invite other parties to come and sign a MOU. But I told them even EOI or anything, we don't have an intention for implementation of the Umngot project.